Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing the build on our Cobra, our 1965 Factory 5 build, and it's coming along really nice. So last time we got the whole outside of the body, the doors, the hood, the trunk lid, the headlights, a lot of the parts put on the car. Now we're ready to put the interior together, so let's check out the interior. Alright guys, so check out these seats.
Oh yeah.
So these were actually the original seats that came with the Cobra. We had them dropped off at a upholstery shop. They did it up, and as you guys can see, there's a little bit of yellow accent with it. That's why we got the calipers painted the yellow, just to match it a little bit. We got the little emblem in there, and it's turning out really sweet. Let's check out the little door cards. So here are the little door cards. Pretty sweet. It matches the seat inserts whatsoever, so it looks really good. But let's check out what else we did.
Nice.
So pretty much this is gonna be for the center console in the middle. It's supposed to wrap over, and this is the whole back of it. So it should go easier to show in the car, but it's pretty much gonna go like that with the center console. And it's gonna look really good. It's gonna match. And then for the bottom, for the carpet, we just got regular carpet. So we're gonna probably do that first. And then for the dash, we're gonna do the same thing. We got extra materials. We're gonna wrap the dash, but you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to see what's gonna happen. So let's get straight to work.
All right, everybody, Merry Christmas. We know it's that time of the year. We're so excited, but we're getting this thing knocked out. So the first thing we want to do is basically we're gonna put that sound dampening, heat resistant stuff on the inside, any of the paneling with the replace. So basically we'll have it all covered up, make it all nice, and then we'll go for the bottom base, that carpet. We got the nice marine grade, whatever, waterproof, all that good stuff, you know, make it real cool. But yeah, let's just go ahead and go at it and get the bottom done first and work our way up. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the carpet down on the floor. It's looking fantastic. And then we started putting on our back panel with our stitched black leather piece. Honestly, it looks amazing as well. Super happy about it. Next thing we have to do is basically cut out the holes for the speakers. So I'm definitely gonna measure twice, cut once kind of thing, because this is some really nice material. Don't want to mess it up. But we got our door panels on, little buttons, little leather buttons on top too. That looks really clean as well. Pretty happy how that turned out. But now it's just the time to make that incision and secure the back panel so we can just keep moving forward into the center console, into the dash, and cover up all the other stuff. But yeah, it's starting to look really nice inside. Very high class. I like it. So let's just get it done right. You can only try once. I will get it. No problem, right? Yeah. No worries.
It's only getting pretty late, but we'll do it.
Yeah, it is what it is, but we're gonna make it nice and we're gonna get it done. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Alright guys, so just like that, we got a lot of progress done on the inside. And we want to see how the seats are. So we didn't bolt down the seats yet. You know, we just put the 4-point harness in. These are pretty sweet. But we're thinking about, position the seat, if we can move it up a little bit, if we got some room. But we put them all the way back, and it's tight. You guys, I'm like right here. It's really close. There's no way the seat's gonna go up because I'm already like...
It's a race car, Ivan.
Yeah. But I mean, a lot of progress. Well, I mean, check this out. It's like the interior. We got the stitching going on the inside, the back. You guys saw us put the speakers in. And I was thinking about the shifter. I'm probably gonna leave it this high. I kind of like it. So there's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Not bad at all. You know. We still got the dash to put together, but we got a couple things got to still fix up, put together, and be ready to wrap the dash, put the dash in. A lot of progress. I took this out. We wrapped that up. We're gonna put this little guy right here. So it's gonna look good. We got little switches here. The only thing we're missing is a rear view mirror. We're gonna have to find one of those, but I'm liking it. Not too bad. Is the roll cage good though?
Yeah, you're good.
Ooh, just in case, you never know. But I don't know, Michael. I'm liking this.
Looking real good.
We're still gonna have to figure out the boot over here and the boot for this, but that shouldn't be too big of a deal. And we need cup holders. Maybe like from the side or something, like right here. We drill one in the hole right here, just no. But it's so tight, it's so small in here. It's like, man. I don't know. Let's keep working.
All right, guys, working on my dash. There's my cluster, custom, original Mustang, but now custom Cobra. It looks awesome. Wow, that was definitely a pain to get all that to seam nicely, and I think I spent like 5 hours on this alone. Yep, but that looks great. I'm gonna keep going, do my other cluster things, and get this dash moving forward. Wow, that was time consuming, but it looks good at the end. All right, guys, so it's about 2 in the morning. Before we put the dash on, we wanted to make sure our lights were working, turning signals and all that good stuff, brake lights. And it was just acting so weird. I mean, something was working, something's shorting, nothing's working. So basically our LED lights that we put in were messing with it, and it was just going haywire. So we just spent about, what, 2 hours?
Yeah, we were checking the wires. We thought something shorted. We thought something, when we turned on the running lights, the charging signal was getting power, so.
It was just a nightmare. But now we got that working, so it's just the LED lights. Wow, that sucks. That was crazy. I mean,
let's keep going.
Yep. All right, guys, it is 4:43 in the morning. Been working all day and all night. Honestly, it takes time, to make it look good, but check it out. It is definitely amazing. This dash took a lot longer than I thought it would, but to make it look good, to get it all buttoned up, takes time. That's part of it, but basically right now we're just gonna call it a day or a night. Get a morning. Get a couple hours of sleep, come back at it, finish it, basically lift it up again. There's a couple more things we gotta button up there.
Put the seats in.
Yeah, we'll get the seats in because we gotta go from underneath. Then we're almost there, we're almost ready. So
ready
close.
for a test drive,
Yeah, ready to get this thing out, cleaned up, dusted off. Whew. Man, a lot of work, but it's moving forward and looking good. Yeah, that's good.
All right guys, so just like that, we got the Cobra driving, the body on, the interior together. It took forever. A lot of tedious stuff, but we got a alignment machine. So let's check out the specs on it. Hopefully we have the specs for a 1965. If not, we'll do like a Mazda Miata or a Honda 1000 or something. You know, Mustang. No, we'll do a Mustang, who knows. But let's check out the alignment and then we go for a test drive. Backfire.
Would it be a Ford?
Shelby?
No such thing.
So let's go back to
Mustang?
PT? 65.
8-cylinder. Target cleaning complete.
All right, so the back looks okay-ish.
Yeah.
Our thrust angle is good, total toe, I mean, not too bad for what it is. The front, our camber is cambered in. We're probably gonna camber a little bit more. And then our toe is really bad, so we can fix that. But let's measure caster. No, let's do the toe. Then we'll measure caster. We'll go from there. All right guys, so just like that, we kind of got it close as we could to get it drivable. I think we had to order one little part or something, but it's definitely drivable. So let's get it down and let's hit the road.
Yay. Oh, happy day, guys. We got the Cobra out in fresh air. It is driving and it's looking amazing. Oh man, it sounds great. I'm just so happy, so ecstatic. Merry Christmas, everybody. You know, we got this thing out there, we got it done. I was about to give up a couple times. We think it was gonna make it. I don't know how many hours we put into this, but we went, we got it done. It's out here. But really quick, since it's Christmas time, we actually got ourselves a little gift as well. Check this thing out. IceCo. This thing is a legit freezer cooler. So no more ice. You don't have to worry about stuff melting. So later when you go to the park, you're hanging out the Cobra. I don't know if you're RV or whatever it is.
What do you think about you go to a car show?
Oh
you need
yeah.
a fridge. Think about it. You're gonna sit there, people are gonna talk to you, be like,
Boom.
offer them a nice drink.
Check it out. This thing is sweet for sure. I mean, honestly, yeah. Freezer. So you just plug it in 12 volt into your car.
I mean, we can make like a roof rack on the back of the trunk and it'd be good to go. You know,
It's a little big.
trailer.
I don't think it'll fit in our trunk, but they said, yeah, roof rack. Check it out.
Look at that. Quality's looking good. We got 2 doors, Michael?
Oh yeah, so you can just, depends what you want to do. I don't even know how to use this thing. Wow, it's locked.
One way. And it opens both ways.
That's crazy.
That's some good technology right there.
Separate compartments in there. This thing is legit, for
You
sure.
can have soda on one thing, ice cream on the other.
Oh
You're at
yeah.
a car show.
There you go, guys. So definitely can stay cool while you're looking good.
And I think we're gonna leave their link in the description.
Yeah, so make sure you check it out. Highly recommend it. Awesome products, top of line coolers. wrap. I mean, honestly, we did so much of this thing. Let us know if we should do some other things to it, but I think that's great. It's on the road, it's driving. Basically everything's buttoned up. Honestly, there's still always things you could do to it, but hey, it's there. We got a Cobra on the road. No more fire damage. Man, what a journey. 2-3 years ago we started this project, but today we are calling it done. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.